Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to let readers choose their own name in your chapter's story. So there's two ways you can go about this. First of all, if you already have characters made, that's great. Go ahead and click on the one that you want to be your main character. If this button is not selected, you need to select that button. Then you hit confirm again, and now that's the main character that the reader will be able to rename. Now if you don't have any characters here, just create a new character. Actually, hold on, let me take this off. If you don't have any characters here, create a new character. Make sure you select this button, put a temporary name here. You don't have to fill this out. Choose their gender, go ahead and modify the profile. This is just their default look, but as long as you have this button checked, that's going to be your main character. Okay, so once you have that done, you're going to need to go to your first chapter. Please disregard all of this that you see over here. This is for another tutorial where I'll be showing you guys how to let readers choose their own skin color, hairstyle, and outfits. So look out for that. Now, once you already have your script written, if you hit the switch to game mode, this is what it looks like for the reader. So as you can see here, this is the name of your test character, or the one that I put. So you can actually type in here, and again, it's like you're playing the reader. Hit OK. And now you're looking into the preview. So what I want to show you is something that a little short scene that I've already created just for the purpose of this video. It's another question that I get asked a lot, and it's how do you refer to the main character if you allowed readers to name them. So if you'll look here, you can see the name has changed from what we chose in the beginning. This is how it's going to look in the app. We're still in preview mode. Okay, so let me go back. I was going too fast. So as you can see here, it says, "Sorry to bother you, Janet." That's the name we chose. In the dialog box over here, whenever you want to refer to the main character, just type in bracket, player name, close the bracket. That's how you refer to the name. It's very, very simple. There's no extra steps to it, and that's how it's going to look on the reader's end inside your script. And that's pretty much it. That's how you name your main characters. Now, I don't know how this would work if you decide to switch your main character in a later chapter. I don't do that kind of advanced stuff, so I have no idea how that will work. But this is just for the bare basics of how to name your, how to let readers choose the name of their character. So look out for the next video where we will go over letting readers choose their skin color, their hairstyle, and an outfit choice in the next tutorial. So be on the lookout for that. Make sure you thumbs up and subscribe if this video helped you, and let me know what other tutorials you'd like to see in the future, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.